An immediate red flag, I mean immediate, when you go in to meet with another lawyer. If you're not meeting with the lawyer, that should raise a red flag. Because if you're not meeting with the lawyer from day one, the likelihood of you ever actually talking to your lawyer is essentially zero. If that lawyer doesn't have the time to see you on the very first day that you come in, you're gonna never talk to that lawyer. You're gonna end up talking to a paralegal or a case manager who's handling your case, and you're never getting the expertise from the lawyer that you're paying them for. Having a consultation over the phone with an out-of-town attorney doesn't mean you've actually met your lawyer. You may have talked to somebody on the phone. In some instances, you may have even talked to somebody on the phone who represented to you that they are a lawyer, but they are not. I can assure people that there are some unscrupulous practices out there. When you see a billboard advertising a lawyer's services, I encourage you to do your due diligence. Go online. Look at where that lawyer really is. There are a lot of billboards that advertise lawyers, and they try to make it appear as though they're local. They may even have a local phone number that begins with area code 661, and yet they are not a local attorney. They live in Manhattan Beach. They live in Palos Verdes. Their law office is on Ventura Boulevard in Los Angeles. They are not in Bakersfield. And again, the likelihood of you ever meeting your lawyer in such a situation is essentially zero. There are law firms out there who advertise themselves as being essentially jacks of all trade. Maybe they practice criminal law, family law, maybe they do medical malpractice and personal injury. And what I like to call that is they dabble in many fields, okay? If you want a lawyer who's truly an expert in your particular area, right? So if you've been injured in an incident due to somebody else's fault, right? We call that negligence. If that's happened, you want an attorney who does nothing but handle personal injury cases. And that's what we do at Cohn and Stiles.